Royal roller coaster alert! Meghan and Harry hit the snowy slopes, and guess what? Their camera crew is in tow, capturing every twist and turn. From cheers to boos, this dynamic duo faces it all, marking their first public appearance since the royal rebrand backlash. Are they back in control, or is the controversy snowballing? Meghan and Harry, the once beloved royals, are making waves with a surprise skiing adventure in Whistler. A film crew shadows their every move, providing a behind-the-scenes look at their Valentine's Day escapade. But is this public appearance a smooth glide or a downhill challenge? Serenaded with God Save the King and a mix of cheers and jeers, the Sussexes kick off their first day in Whistler promoting the upcoming Invictus Games. Amidst the ski slopes and Invictus athletes, they showcase a united front. Yet, the real intrigue lies in their first public appearance since the royal rebrand backlash. Hand in hand, Harry and Meghan tackle the slopes, smiles never faltering, and a film crew close behind. From Harry's sit-skiing attempts to Meghan capturing it all on her phone, the couple's journey unfolds amidst cheers and a rendition of God Save the King. Is this a PR victory or a calculated move? As the Sussexes navigate the slopes, the storm of controversies follows. The recent royal rebrand with Sussex.com faces criticism, raising questions about title use and promises to the late Queen. Meghan's new podcast deal with Lemonade Media adds another layer to the mix. Is this a strategic move or a stumble in their PR game? While critics argue over titles and website motives, the couple appears unfazed. Meghan's glamorous Valentine's Day look, complete with a £140,000 engagement ring, suggests confidence. Is this a calculated play for public favor or a genuine display of resilience? Amid controversies, a surprise ticket drop for Taylor Swift's Eras Tour in Melbourne takes center stage. Swifties rejoice as last-minute tickets become available, creating a stir. Are Meghan and Harry taking notes on how to surprise and delight their fans amidst the chaos? That's a wrap for today's royal adventure on the slopes. Will Meghan and Harry's united front weather the storms of controversies, or are more surprises in store? Drop your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more twists and turns in the world of the Sussexes. Until next time, this is Celeb Explore Hub, signing off.